ruined my video, boy. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut this editing. Up under his rock. Alright guys, walking a little creek I've never walked before. I just found a small broken point. Broken right there. It's just really the base off of it. Heck, I think the ears are even there. I've just walked up on something. Pretty excited. Never walked this creek before. Big blade, big tool. Laying right here. Yeah. It's a big tool. Alright, see what else I can find. That'd have been a good one. We'll tip to one. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys. Walking the first couple little gravel bars down from this big washed out bank. And I'm seeing a lot of material already. Looks like it's gonna be good. Come across this one here. Man, that would have been a good point. Wish that was whole. Alright, I'm on the right track. Before I get back with you. Alright guys, walked way up here, found another washout. I've never walked all the way up to it. I'm seeing a concave base and side notch. And a tip. Oh man. Oh, that's really nice. That's a really nice one. Heck yeah, I needed that one. Oh, that's sweet. That's sweet. Alright guys, hopefully I'll get back with you.